Welcome to Lustless, the show where the experts at Fabulous bring me, Angellica, the best picks from fashion, beauty, travel and all things trending across the week. And I get to choose my favourites. Now, have you tried any of their recommendations before? Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget there are shopping links throughout the show up here as well as below. Here we go. Fabulous beauty editor Tara Leddon is gracing me with her presence once again. Welcome back, Tara. You got anything that I can play with?
This week I have three really exciting things. First off, beauty bag charms.
I like a bag charm, but it's got to be cool, it's got to be different.
I'm not here for the cutesy stuff. I want it to be useful and do something, which is exactly what the beauty bag charms do. So this is a Dior hand cream.
So that's a hand cream?
Yeah, and then you just pop it out and it's a normal hand cream.
Convinced. This feels good.
Isn't it just a little luxury that makes your day a bit better?
It 100%, and you won't get lost in your bag like everything else.
No, exactly. I have another one. This is a bubble lip balm. This one, you just put it straight on the strap.
Oh, okay.
What about this? A little bag to put on your bag.
Okay, and it even zips up, so you just put your lip balm in there as well.
Yeah, everything can go inside.
Nice.
Sold?
Oh, where did that go?
My second Lustless item this week is beauty advent calendars. I know.
Already?
Bear with me.
Already? I mean, we've mentioned Christmas a lot on the Lustless over the last few weeks. We're just coming into autumn. Why are we talking about winter? Anyway, crack on.
So, here is your very first look at this year's Cult Beauty Christmas Advent Calendar. It's one of many that have already launched their wait lists.
So there are waiting lists for Advent calendars?
Yes, so because they're so popular, this one, for instance, it's £240, but the worth is £1,100, so you're saving a hell of a lot of money. So people that aren't even necessarily interested in the Christmas countdown want to get them for the good value.
100%.
It's very competitive.
Yeah. Because it's not Christmas, we're going to open any door willy-nilly. It's not bad luck. Okay, what's in here? That's the number 5.
Drum roll, please.
Drum roll.
Oh, wow.
Intensive exfoliating treatment. This is some proper good in here.
And full sizes. That's a full-size exfoliate treatment.
This is quite fun, actually.
Yeah, I think it is fun. It makes it very, like any beauty lover in your life would love opening this.
There's a few bits of this one.
I love it when the drawers have more than one thing in. Was that 3 in one drawer?
Hon, 3 in 1 over here, 3 in 1. This is definitely worth your while getting in the queue for.
Absolutely.
Oh, you have been amazing, and you've still got one more Lustless for us. What is it?
So my last Lustless item this week is chemical peels. Have you ever had one?
Is this when you just rip a layer of your skin off?
Slightly more sophisticated than that. Maybe 10 years ago, it would have been shedding like a snakeskin. They're much more gentle, they have much less downtime, and bookings for chemical peels have quadrupled in the last year, making it Britain's fastest growing beauty treatment.
And why are they so good?
They leave your skin smooth and soft. They get rid of rough texture, they can help with uneven pigmentation. They really just give your face a new lease of life, and they're not invasive, so there's no needles or injectables involved.
And also, it's about self-care and taking time for yourself, just to make yourself feel good.
There's a brilliant brand called Dr. Dennis Gross who has a 2-step peel wipe. So the first one you put on, which is all of the chemicals which help exfoliate, and then the second one calms things down again, so you're not irritating your skin or making it sore.
And any advice if you do want to go to a clinic and get one?
Do lots of research, find a practitioner that you trust, and look at what products they're using and what brands they're using to make sure that aligns with your current skincare routine.
Thank you, doctor.
See you very soon.
See you soon. Wow, the C word is being banded around a lot now, isn't it? Tara brought me the early bird warning of beauty advent calendars, beauty bag charms, and the caring chemicals to get your skin glowing. I am struggling here because all of those Lustless items were amazing. But do you know what? I'm going to go for the advent calendars. If you can get them early, get a bargain, and have something to look forward to once it's winter, and legitimately use the C word, I'm all over it. He just can't keep away. It's reviews manager Kieran Ahuja. It's been a while, we've missed you, but I know you've got something cool in your little Lustless pocket.
Well, thanks for having me back.
Not at all. What's your first item?
My first item is Rosorange wine. The brand actually pushing this trend is Aldi, who released their specially selected Rosorange Rosé last year. It cost just $9.99. In the first week that it released, it sold something like 5,000 bottles and went viral on TikTok. And since then, other retailers like Waitrose have got in on the trend. They bought it back for this year, and we've actually got a bottle to try.
Of course you have. So it's not a screw top. Woo!
There we go.
Pop it, baby. We're not drinking it from the bottle.
I mean, I think I did bring glasses, but cheers.
Cheers. Aren't you going to spoil it?
Huh? Okay, we can swirl it.
Heathen.
What notes are you getting?
Oh, I'm getting those floral hints, Bob.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
I can imagine sitting in the garden, sunny day. Yeah, I can imagine.
In a bikini.
Why not? Something skimpy.
I am pleasantly surprised.
Me too.
For $9.99 from Aldi, you would never know that this wasn't from a high-end store.
I know, what an absolute bargain. So my next Lustless item is food-shaped homeware.
All over this.
I absolutely love it. It's fun, it's kitsch, it's whimsical. So George Home at Asda have just come out with a range of this sort of stuff. And it's so well priced. It starts at about £5 and goes up to around £12. So I've actually got some of it here. So we've got this little pear pot, which you could use in your kitchen for like salt or something. You could put it in your bedroom and use it for trinkets. And this is £5.
I love this. It's so cute and fun, like you say. I bought a lemon one.
I've got a lemon jug that I got in a charity shop a few years ago. It's so cute. I've got these little mushroom salt and pepper shakers.
Just imagine I've got salt and pepper.
So my final Lustless pick is brown butter. So all you have to do to make it is melt normal butter, then carry on cooking it until the milk solids in the butter start to toast and it goes a really lovely nutty brown colour. Most deliciously, you're finding them in ice cream, and you know those like mochi ice cream things, Little Moons?
I love them.
They've just brought out a new flavour, which is brown butter and caramel flavour. Can't wait to try.
I have my little moon on a spoon. Like I'm gonna do that.
Brain proof.
It's lovely.
Gotta say, it's really nice caramel flavour, hasn't it? Really nice dessert. And they're only 67 calories each.
Brilliant, give me 5. Kieran, always a pleasure, never a chore.
Lovely to be here.
Oh,
Thanks for having me back.
no problem. Oh, Kieran always brings me something to have a nibble on. I love it and I love him. He keeps me going with his picks, and this week I tried Rosorange wine, Little Moon's new flavour, and I didn't bite them, but I could have, those cute home accessories. Ooh, this is a tough one, but I'm gonna go for the food-shaped homeware because I think they look cute, a lovely addition to the table and kitchen. So I'm gonna add those mushrooms to my lemon at home. Here she comes again. Fashion assistant Emily Regan brings her expertise back to Lustless. Emily, what's happening in that fashion closet of yours? Are we preparing for autumn now? Those leaves will be dropping off the tree soon.
We are approaching September, and that means one thing: buy your denim now.
Let's get shopping. I love a bit of denim.
Last week, I went to the official runway relaunch of Topshop on the High Street.
It's coming back.
It is. They are going to be stocked in Liberties in London, amongst other department stores across the UK. They have still got their Joni and Jamie styles. Do you remember them?
Yes.
They are major throwbacks, but everyone loved them back in the day. But they've also got some other styles as well. They've got wide leg, plenty of straight leg options, even a flare. And they gave us this magazine, which has got all of the new campaign images in.
Are you going to let me handle your magazine?
Okay, so it is a prized possession because I'm not sure if you can actually buy these, but I'll let you have a little sneak peek.
You can trust me. Oh, it's... Oh, look at those. Need. What's next?
I absolutely love my trainers and I love New Balance, and they have recently released a new style called the 204L.
204L.
The reason I don't actually have a pair on me as much as I really want them is that they have sold out within seconds every time they've gone live so far.
Now these are the mushroom New Balance.
Yeah, the brand new ones. So I've got that notification on, I will get a pair.
Emily, what's your next Lustless item?
Well, I actually have a question for you. Are you going on a holiday?
I might be actually.
Where would you buy your wardrobe for such occasion?
I have no idea. I was going to give you a call.
If you are looking for a bikini that will be in line all season, any time of the year, then definitely have a look on Bow Avenue. They are well known for their lingerie, but they do have a great swimwear section that runs its full course all year through.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Thank you for those tips. Thanks, Emily.
Thanks.
You're amazing. Bye. Wow, summer went by in a flash, but for those of you still waiting for your holiday, she had some good picks, including where to get that last-minute holiday wardrobe, must-have New Balance trainers, and the return of Topshop and their enormous range of jeans. Do you know what? I love a bit of nostalgia. I'm going with Topshop and their jeans. I love it. We're going to squeeze into those skinnies. Watch this space. Travel writer Sophie Swietochowski is back with a bang. Jet setting has been put on hold for today so she can give us the rundown of the best travel tips. Welcome back.
Thanks, great to be back.
Nice. So, what have you got on your last list?
Beach powder.
Is that for your bits?
It's not for your bits, no. It is sort of like a talcum powder, but it's talc free. And what it does is it just gets rid of the sand from your skin. So you put a little bit on, brushes the sand away. It's like magic.
I think loads of people will find this really handy because there's nothing worse than going to the beach and coming back with half the sand on you.
They've got two different versions. This one's the kid-friendly version, and it smells like vanilla ice cream.
So to use this, you have to have sand on you, then you put it on. You don't put it on first.
Yes, so you have to have sand on you. You brush it on. So apparently it's to do with, I didn't know this, it's to do with the moisture on our skin, and that is why sand sticks to us. So this sucks out all of the moisture.
So it just falls off.
Exactly.
Let's try a bit, just to see how it feels. I can see the shimmer in that. Oh yeah, look, nice bit of shimmer.
From beach to club in 5 minutes.
Ibiza, here we come.
Yeah.
Item number 2, please.
Item number 2, the ostrich pillow. So forget those old horseshoe U-shaped travel pillows. They're rubbish and they don't work, but this does.
Here we go.
Yeah, that's the one, you've got it.
So I'll give you that.
Thank you.
Can we go like this? Oh yeah. Oh, the head's
feel?
not rolling anywhere in this one.
It does look a bit like a neck support. That is the only downside, but you're working it.
No, I see what you mean. You feel compact, you feel secure. In fact, I'm ready for sleep.
Yeah, and switch the lights off.
Yeah. Blackout. And I do like the memory foam. It feels supportive.
The problem is, it's a little bit more expensive. It's £69, so it's on the pricier side, but I think it's worth it for a good night's kip. I slept with one of these in the middle seat, in economy, on the way back, and I never sleep on a flight, and I actually fell asleep.
So you didn't nod off on someone else's shoulder?
I did not, exactly. My next Lustless item, seaside arcades. They're making a comeback.
Ah, I love the arcades when you go away. They're so much fun.
So do I. Apparently 90% of 24 to 35-year-olds are visiting seaside amusement arcades this year.
Why?
Well, we're not talking about those, high-tech, neon lights, flashy games, electronics. They want a bit of nostalgia. I think we've got so many techie, gamey things in our life. They're looking at the retro. Am I allowed to call them retro? Because I feel like my parents' generation would not approve of that. But they're looking for the retro arcade games. So we're talking that penny push machine, the claw grabber, fortune teller, and Angellica. I've been researching and I know exactly where you can find a Zoltar fortune teller. Clacton Pier.
I like this. It's going back to the simple games that give you a lot of pleasure and have a lot of nostalgia, remind you when you were younger. Who doesn't love trying to get those 10p's in and having like a windfall? Sophie, thank you so much for your travel lust list today. Top dollar.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Sophie. I do wish she'd brought me a slot machine, but she did bring me the ostrich pillow, the beach powder, and the love of the seaside. So my travel lust list this week is going to have to be the ostrich pillow. I think it was compact, I think it's a great idea, and nobody likes falling asleep on somebody else without permission. All right, people, this week my lust list picks are Topshop Denim. Yes, it's back. Beauty advent calendars in advance. Get in there quick. We've got the ostrich pillow as well, and food-shaped homeware. If anything catches your eye, you can shop the Lust List goodies by clicking the links right there in the description box. Like and subscribe to the fabulous channel to keep up with Lustless and new recommendations coming from our expert team. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.